Alright, what is going on? It is your boy Zach or Zachshawn back with another video on the channel. Today I will be giving you guys my 2020 Fortnite setup tour. I put out 3 polls on Instagram asking you guys whichever one gets the highest votes would be uploaded onto YouTube. So the 3 polls were all video ideas, and the video ideas were, one was I record my DreamHack Fortnite experience, then my second one was a benchmark for my PC in game for Fortnite, and the last one was my 2020 gaming setup tour, which is the video I'm doing right now, which also got the highest votes, obviously. So yeah, I'd just like to thank you guys for the support recently. We hit 250 subscribers, of course, and yeah, without further ado, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, please make sure to consider dropping a like down below, and if this gets like a high amount of likes, then maybe I'll do an updated one next year. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Subscribe, turn noties on, try to get me to 300 subscribers maybe, and I'll try to do another banger video idea. And yeah, enjoy this banger video. Peace, boys. So this right here is my setup. So I'm gonna be giving you guys my 2020 gaming setup tour. So over here, let's start with this. I have 2 wall shelves, my skateboard up there, just for a aesthetic design, I guess, for pleasure. PS4 games, books, candle holder I use for USB sticks, plants, fake plants, I can't be asked to grow, live ones, family picture, with me and my sisters, my piggy bank, more fake plants, power outlets for my spare Wi-Fi booster adapter thingy, whatever. And then here, something that's pretty cool about my setup is, let me go back, is I have a bunk bed. So instead of having 2 beds, one on the bottom, one on the top, I have one on the top and then a desk on the bottom. So on the top, we have my bed. I have a mattress here. I used to sleep here, but then I moved rooms. This is my old TV from my PS4. I have a bedside lamp, and if you can see, right there, that thing right there, that is an alarm clock that I used. And then up here I have stuff that I just store up there, like basketballs, guitar, waveboard, bags, paintings. My wardrobe is over here, the thing that they're on, my clothes basket. And then let's get into the actual gaming setup. Alright, let's start with the PC. Also, I'd just like to mention these lights. Pretty cool, I put them up for Christmas decoration. Looks sick in the dark. And then here's my PC. My PC consists of a Ryzen 5 2600X, has a graphics card which is a NVIDIA GTX 1650 Super, 6 gigabytes. I have 16 gigabytes of RAM. My motherboard is an MSI A320 Pro Max. I have 480 gigabytes of SSD storage, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. I would, hold on, let me try and tilt this way a bit. So there are all my PC parts inside there. They don't have any lights, so you can't really see anything. That's why I have it facing the window. But yeah. And there's this button up here that you can use to change colors. Pretty sick. Yeah. All these different. Let me set it to one I like. I really like the white, clean look. This one looks sick. Then I have the sticker I got from my MSI motherboard. I got with the pre-built. And then my headphone and my microphone, which is over here, which I'll get to in a second, right after this. So this is my PS4 Pro Death Stranding limited edition with 1 terabyte of storage. It is really good. I just switched from console to PC not too long ago, like 2 months ago. So yeah, I really like this PS4, so I'm still using it. I have it hooked up to this monitor, which is a ViewSonic 144 Hertz 5 ms monitor. I really like it, and yeah, I can basically switch between these two anytime I want, which is really cool. And then yeah, my cable management right now is really bad. It's just because I'll be moving setups soon into my room, the room where I sleep. And then here we have some cool decor. This is Zach's layer layout. This is my room. And then I have my Bose speaker on a phone stand. Normally I keep my phone here, but I have my speaker there right now. And a Christmas globe, snow globe, whatever. And I made snacks. This is all my mom's stuff that she uses back here. So I don't use any of that. And now, finally, on to the peripherals. So the PS4 Pro is on a laptop stand, which is meant for the laptop right there. But I'm currently using it for my PS4 Pro to stand on, and then down here we have the limited edition controller that came with it. I like it. Sometimes switch a controller whenever I want to. Then here we have my G3 32 Logitech gaming headset. It's really cheap, but it's really good. I definitely recommend it. The only thing bad about it is its mic. That's why I have a spare one right here, which is an eyeball mic, I think. Yeah, eyeball mic. It's really good. I really like it. Definitely recommend it. Even though it's really old, it still does the job and everything. And then here we have my keyboard, which is a Ducky12 TKL. I really like this keyboard. It has cherry brown switches. Sounds really sick. I like it. And then finally here we have my Logitech G Pro Wireless. Super sick mouse. Definitely recommend it, even though it costs a lot. Definitely worth the price. I will be upgrading to a Logitech G Pro Wireless Ultralight soon, which is apparently faster and lighter than this. So yeah. And then I have my mouse pad. I don't know what mouse pad this is. I got it off Amazon for like 15 bucks, really cheap. And then I have a spare gaming chair right here that I normally just keep my laundry clothes on to hold them. And then finally we have my chair that I use for gaming. This is an office chair. It's made out of leather. It's really comfy. It has like cushions underneath it. Way better than this one because it has like armrests and stuff. And then yeah, it's pretty much my gaming setup. Oh, out of focus. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty much my gaming setup. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, thank you guys for 250 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.